Hello everyone, this is a short video on my Opinel number 12 folding knife. This is the carbon steel version. The blade is 4 3/4 inches. The handle is 6 1/4 inches. Has a clip point design and it is a full flat grind. Has a nail notch. It says Opinel Carbone, and it has the crowned hand etching. Has the Virobloc safety ring. Beechwood handles. Opinel Savoie France Carbone. To close the knife, you turn the Virobloc safety ring to where you can close it, and you just push down the blade and it closes into the handle, and then you can lock it closed also with the safety ring so it doesn't open in your pocket or in your bag, wherever you carry it. And to open it, you slide that over to where you can open the blade and then pinch the blade and pull it out, and then lock it again to keep the blade locked out. Comes very sharp. I have my Mora here to see the size difference. It's a little longer than the Mora. The Mora has a 4 1/4 inch blade, and this is my GSO 5.1, which has a 5 3/4 blade, so about an inch bigger, and the Mora is about a half an inch smaller. The Opinel is made in France. It weighs 3.9 ounces. And this is the number 12. Really big folding knife. Probably my biggest folding knife. Again, it's the Opinel number 12. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.